Want a front porch, patio, or deck filled with flowering plants you're sure to have heads turning this summer? Adding a container garden will add a splash of color and keep these spaces vibrant all summer long. Hi, my name is Jennifer and I'm the greenhouse manager here at Esbenshade's Garden Center. Today we will be discussing how to use flowers in your outdoor spaces to create simple and beautiful container gardens. There is a widely used concept we like to use here at Esbenshade when designing containers. It is the thriller, filler, and spiller planting technique. You'll want to select a planter you like that fits the intended space. Be sure your container has proper drainage and drill holes if necessary. You can also add a few layers of gravel to the bottom to help with drainage and also add stability to lightweight planters. We recommend a high-quality potting soil that is light and fluffy to fill your container. It is best to refill your container with fresh soil each year. Before we move on, you'll want to consider the conditions that you will be planting in. Is it full sun, shade, or a combination? So starting with the thriller, you want to choose a larger plant to create a focal point in your planter. For this, I've chosen a lemon cypress for its bright yellow color. So we'll start by placing that in the center of our planter, followed by the fillers. These will be plants that are more compact and mounding that will fill in out around your thriller. So we'll just place these in our pots. And then after you have your fillers placed, you'll move on to your spiller. This is going to be a trailing plant that will flow over the edge of your pot. It's going to create simple grace and elegance and tie the whole planter together. So we'll place these in our pots as well. Once you have everything in, take a step back, look at your planter, make any adjustments you might need to make. If everything is in place, you can start filling in your soil into the pot to cover the root balls of the plants. When you're finished planting, add some starter fertilizers to your containers to give your plants a jump start, and then water your container thoroughly. You do not always have to follow the thriller, filler, and spiller philosophy. Get creative and try a succulent container or an herb combination. Containers can not only look good, but they can be functional as well. Try mixing in some mosquito-repelling plants such as lemongrass, lavender, or marigolds. You're only limited by your creativity. Try repurposing some household items such as old wagons, watering troughs, or watering cans. So whether you are trying to create a tropical oasis in your outdoor living space or brighten up your front porch, adding a container garden can be a fun and easy way to add curb appeal to your home.